Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kajabi for course sales and membership growth, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit Kajabi's official website. Click on the Get Started button. Sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. Once verified, log into your Kajabi dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features. Navigate to the Products section. Click on the New Product button to start creating your course. Choose the type of product you want to create, such as an online course or membership. Fill in the necessary details, including the course name and description. Select a theme for your course to match your brand style. Add modules and lessons to your course by clicking on the Add Module button. Upload any multimedia content like videos, PDFs, or images to enrich your lessons. After adding content, customize your lesson settings for optimal engagement. Next, head to the Sales tab on the dashboard. Choose offers to create a new offer for your course or membership. Set your pricing structure, whether it's one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan. Add any relevant payment integrations if needed. Create a landing page for your offer by clicking on Landing Pages in the menu. Select a template that appeals to your target audience and customize it. Add components like images, testimonials, and a call to action button to encourage purchases. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your landing page live. Navigate to the Marketing section to set up email campaigns. Create an email sequence to nurture leads and inform them about your course. Utilize Kajabi's automation tools to streamline communication with your audience. Finally, analyze your sales and engagement metrics regularly. Make adjustments based on the insights you gather to optimize your course's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.